Hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm Romel de Guzman from Dell. Today, I'll show you how easy it is to enable immutability in your PPDM backups to make your environment more cyber resilient. If you can see now, I'm in my PPDM GUI. I'll just go to protection policies. If I want to add a new policy with retention lock enabled, this is how easy it is. I'll put a policy name. I'll put test. I'll say I'll back up a virtual machine, right? It's crash consistent. I'll say I'll back up this Windows 11. And then this is where the magic happens. So I'll add a primary backup. And this is where I'll create a schedule. I'll choose a data domain. I'll choose data domain number 1 as my primary data domain. Now I'll make a new storage unit for this primary copy. And enabling immutability or retention lock, as how we call it, is as easy as clicking on this button from off to on. Now I'll just go through the policy making, policy creation. So I say I want to have backups happen every 12 hours. And then I want it to be retained every 7 days. Now my primary backup would have retention lock enabled already. So all the backups in this policy would have retention lock enabled. Now, if I want my replica, if I want to replicate it and I want my replica to have immutability as well, it's as easy as selecting your second data domain, which is DD number 2. I'll create a new storage unit as well. And again, it's as easy as enabling retention lock by clicking on this button. Now I can say that it would just follow it. I can just say that you replicate as soon as the backup finishes, and then I would retain it for 7 days. And that's it. That's how easy it is to enable retention lock in a policy. And I'll just press next to continue the wizard. I won't go through every detail now because there will be a different video focusing on those capabilities. And that's it. I've created a policy where every backup going inside this policy would be retention locked. Now, what if I have an existing policy and I want to make future backups to be retention locked as well or to be immutable as well? I'll press on edit. And then I'll just press next because I won't add a new asset. And then I'll just press on edit. And then I'll click on this retention lock button. And every backups moving forward for this existing policy would be retention lock. Likewise, for the replica, I will just click on this button and every backups moving forward will be protected, will be immutable afterwards. And it will follow this retention. I'll just go through the policy again, press next, and then finish. And now that's how easy it is to enable retention lock in a new policy or in an existing one. Thank you very much.